Let's make the best jalapeno bacon mac and cheese. I'm making a double batch for a party. Start by frying up a package of chopped bacon until crispy and put aside. Remove the bacon grease and wipe out the pot. Then add 5 tablespoons of bacon grease and 5 tablespoons of butter back to the pot. Dice 3 jalapenos and add almost all to the pot, saving a little for later. Saute for about 3 minutes on medium heat. Then add most of the bacon, saving a little of that for later as well. Slowly add 10 tablespoons of flour, about 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time until a roux is formed. Drop your preferred pasta in boiling salted water and add in about 16 ounces of heavy cream. Stir and add milk in increments until you get a slightly creamy consistency. I like to add a little pasta water as well to help thin it out a bit. Add in fresh grated sharp white cheddar and Monterey Jack a handful at a time and stir until melted in. Continue this until both blocks are finished. If it begins to get a little too thick, then add a little more of that pasta water in to thin it out a bit. You're going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder for some extra flavor, and then add some fresh black pepper to taste. And then once that's all stirred in and you've got the right consistency, kind of creamy but a little bit runny still, you're going to add all of the al dente pasta to a tray and pour over the cheese sauce. Give it a mix, then sprinkle on some Italian breadcrumbs, the remaining diced jalapenos, the bacon bits, and finish with some fresh grated Pecorino Romano or Parmesan cheese. Pop it in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the breadcrumbs are golden brown. Here's Bobby giving it a try at the party, and guys, this one's a big winner. Everyone loved it. Make this one for your family.